The story of sand and stone. Two travelers walk across a hot desert. The sun is strong. The sand is soft. In the evening, they make a small fire. The first traveler becomes angry. He says unkind words to the second traveler. The second traveler feels sad. He bends down and writes on the sand, "Today my friend hurts me." The wind blows. Soon, the words start to disappear. The next day, the travelers walk again. A strong wind starts. The sand moves fast. The second traveler slips near a deep cliff. He almost falls, but the first traveler takes his hand and pulls him up. The second traveler sits on the ground. He is scared, but he is safe. He finds a big stone. He takes a small sharp rock and writes on the stone, "Today my friend saves my life." The first traveler is surprised. He asks, "Why do you write bad words on sand and good words on stone?" The second traveler smiles and says, "When people hurt us, we write it on sand because the wind can erase it. When people do good things, we write it on stone because nothing can erase it." The two travelers stand up and continue their journey together. Subscribe to the channel to improve your English level through easy stories.